friends? This is Zoook and today I have this Zoook Rocker Armor XL. Now if you want to get this, just go to www.amazon.in or also you can go to the Amazon app. You'll get the best deal in Amazon. You can also buy from Snapdeal and Flipkart, but the price here is the least. So you can buy from here. You can also read the specifications written over here. And thanks to my bro Rhythm, he just lent me to do a review with his speaker. This is not mine. He just bought it and gave me to review it, nothing else. Now, as on the box, it says that it is rugged IPX5, it's hands-free, it's X-Bass, outdoor speaker, 8 hours of playing time, it supports multi-point pairing, aux in and 10 meters of walking distance. Now, its key feature is waterproof, dust-proof, anti-scratch and shock-proof. You can see from the picture that the water splashes and nothing is happening to the speaker. And it is of 30-watt output. Blue Zoook Rocker Armor XL. You can see from the picture, it is a pretty rugged speaker. Now let me go to the price. The price written here is 5,499 rupees, but you will get in Amazon at rupees only 3,300 bucks. Nothing more. Now let me unbox it and show you what's inside the box. Let's get started. Here is my unboxing knife. Let's peel off these stickers. Yeah, nothing happened. I have to peel it like this only. Yeah. Here once more. Sticker struggles, and here we will open it like this. Let's keep it aside. And here you can see the speaker itself. It's a big speaker, not small. Let's keep it aside. And here on the first impression you will get two things: a 3.5 mm audio input jack, audio output, and a data cable with no branding. Not 3.5 micro USB data cable. Nothing else inside. The second box you will get, let me see what. Okay, a screw type thing, and okay, you will get this thing. You have to attach it here. I'll show you it in a moment. Let's move on. Here you will get usual books and sheet. Let's keep it aside. Here you will get a warranty card with a serial number, 1 year warranty card. Now let me show you how to use it. You just need to take one end here, put it here, then the another end, keep it like this, then just screw it, nothing more. Yeah, it will take some time. I haven't tried it before. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's working. And let me tighten it fully, and here it is fully tightened. You can also hang it like this and take it anywhere. You can also hang it on your bag, on pretty much on everything. Now let me turn on the speaker and see how much time does it take to pair with the phone. Okay, let me tell you, this is the power on button and mode button. The previous track button, minus button means lowering the voice, call receiving and pause button, increasing volume button, and here you will get the forward button. Next track. Nothing much here. Here you will get nothing. Zoook branding. Here your serial number. Designed in Zoook in France, made in China. Zoook Armor XL. Here also nothing. And here you will get a flap. It is mainly for waterproof. Here if we let me see how to open it. It is very tight since it's waterproof. It's fully intact here. Okay. Now here you will get a 3.5 aux cable jack. Here you can insert the auxiliary cable which is provided free with the box, and a charging slot through which you can charge. Now it is powered with 4400 milliampere, so you can get 8 to 9 hours of playtime. Now the playtime depends on the volume you are hearing. If you hear it in the 50% volume, then you will get 8 hours. But if you, it is so hard. Yeah, I was saying that. But if you increase the volume to 100%, you will get max to max 5 to 6 hours. Here, let me try to seal it first. Hold a sec. Yep, it's done. Now let me power on the speaker first. Here, let me keep it here, and this is the power button. I doubt if you can hear the sound, but it gives a very little sound, like tu-tu-tu-tu, like that. Jokes apart, you will get a red light here. That means it is in pairing mode. So let's take a tab, my tab. Since I am recording with my phone, I have to use a tab. Now let's go to Bluetooth. Where is Bluetooth? Here, Bluetooth. Let's turn on the Bluetooth. Here we will see, let's scan us. Here you can see Rocker Armor XL. Let's pair it first. And it was pretty fast, only 3 to 4 second max. It's blazing fast, not like the previous speaker which takes hilarious time to pair. Now let me actually play some songs, but I cannot play any good songs since YouTube has copyright issues. So let me give you a quick demo. I'll play 5 to 6 songs from the YouTube non-copyright music, and let's see how it sounds. So here it goes. According to the price range, I would definitely recommend everyone to have a look at it. The 30-watt output speaker gives a thumping and pumping bass. The speaker also is crystal clear. There is no lagginess in any quality. Now if we compare it with JBL Flip 2 and JBL Flip 3, I don't have none, so I cannot compare, but I don't think so JBL can beat this beast. Now considering that there is a small issue in this speaker, I don't know if it is with my only or everyone. The blue LED sometimes gets stuck and it sometimes turns off and sometimes it turns on automatically, so I don't know, it must be some manufacturing defect. Keeping it aside, there is a very good speaker in front of you. The Zoook Rocker Armor XL is a major go. It is shock proof, waterproof, scratch resistance, dust proof, everything you need inside a speaker, it is there. It is powered by 30-watt output. 2 speakers are there for bass and 1 for the main speaker. You get 1 year warranty, so you do not need to panic. You will get full service till 1 year. So here's the end of the video. If you made up to the end, then please hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. Now I would like to see comments in the section below, because I would like to know how do you feel the speaker is. I think I have recorded it quite pretty well and you will hear it, the bass pretty well if you hear it with the earphones on your ear. So yeah, nothing more. Hope to see you in my next video. There is one more video, interesting video coming of Zook's Torpedo. It will be reaching tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so I'm hoping to go forward with it. So let's see what happens. Have a good day.